Hello everybody, hope I am audible. Welcome to quadratic equation lecture number 5, that is your algebra, also known as mathematics paper 1. In today's lecture, we are going to solve questions, or I would say we are going to learn the prerequisites, that is solving quadratic equation using formula. Okay, so just let me do full screen, and I hope my OneNote is visible to every one of you. Just give me a moment. I'll share again. And so see, formula method is very simple, and most of the students prefer this method. Just give me a moment. हाँ, formula method. इसको प्यार से हम लोग formula method बुलाते हैं. And if you refer your textbook or something, in that they are saying it is formula for solving the quadratic equation. Okay, so basically the formula is nothing but x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Just give me a moment. Under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, and there are few things we should know about it. कि ये जो a है, ठीक है, just give me a moment. ये जो a है, b है and c है, इनका वैल्यू किधर से मिलेगा? तो इसका वैल्यूज we can found out using the general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and what else you should know about this is कि अल्फा एंड बीटा क्या रोल प्ले करता है. बेसिकली अल्फा एंड बीटा आर टू रूट्स, एंड we denote it using the same formula. Okay, I'll just switch off my video for better streaming, and we'll also solve few questions in today's lecture so that it's easy for you. So pay attention. See, x is the formula to solve quadratic equation. So out of two roots, any one can be represented by alpha. So see here plus or minus है ना. So out of two roots, one can be represented. Any one can be represented. Any one can be represented by alpha. Can be represented by alpha, and other by beta. And other by beta. ठीक है. I hope this part is very clear to you. This is not B, it is beta. Okay. So alpha will be, I would say, alpha is equal to minus B plus or minus के बदले सिर्फ minus लिखते हैं इधर हम लोग. B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. This should be extended a bit upon 2A. And the beta is going to be alpha. ऐसा नहीं होता, alpha थोड़ा अच्छे से निकालता हूँ मैं. Beta is equal to minus B. इधर minus था तो इधर आ जाएगा plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. ठीक है, I hope there is no confusion here. Just give me a moment. I'll just अच्छे से एक लाइन ही बना देता हूँ so that you are not confused. Upon 2a. Similarly here also I'll draw a line which denotes upon 2a. Now it seems decent. Okay, तो ये हो गया मेरा अल्फा बीटा का वैल्यू. Let's go ahead and see. I would always like to tell you one thing. Note that if alpha is equal to minus b, see, there is one always special case, or there is always some remarks which one should remember. So note, if alpha is equal to minus b plus, अभी इधर हम लोग ने माइनस बोला था, अभी इधर सपोज प्लस आ गया तो माइनस b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, then You should know one thing कि अल्फा जो है वो ज्यादा है, अल्फा का वैल्यू ज्यादा है बीटा से, ठीक है. एंड आई वुड ट्राई टू ऑल्सो टेल यू वन मोर थिंग कि सपोज अल्फा का साइन if alpha is equal to minus b minus a as usual, so b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then I would say तुम्हारा ये जो इधर अल्फा है वो छोटा रहेगा as compared to beta. So this were a few notes which I want you to remember. Note in the sense I would say remark to be very precise, and that is very enough as of now. As and when we go ahead with question solving, this part would be more easier for you. Okay, so I'll just start off with practice set 2.4, and we'll solve few questions from it. The exercise is uh, the exercise is not so big, but yeah, to some extent it's bigger. We won't be able to complete all the questions in today's session, so nevertheless practice हो जाएगा. जितना हो सकता है उतना करेंगे, ठीक है. देयर इज नो कंपल्शन कि सब कुछ आज ही खत्म करना है. एनीवेज वी हैव अ कंस्ट्रेंट ऑफ 13 लेक्चर्स. 12 से 13 लेक्चर्स तक परमिशन मिला है. आई डोंट नो. लेट्स चेक व्हाट कैन वी डू फर्दर. So let's start with the question solving part, that is practice set 2.4, and I'll just share the questions with you. Question set, that is 2.4 exercise ka. Just give me a moment. I will just copy it down in my OneNote so that we need not frequently just keep on switching our notebooks. That is textbook, notebook, textbook, notebook. Okay. So let me just snip that part. Give me a moment. So first question is very simple. It's same as practice set 2.1 जिधर हम लोग values find करने का काम कर रहे थे. Not the big deal. In fact, I hope the questions are visible to you now. Just give me a moment and I'll go to full screen here. ठीक है. Let me just keep it in one screen. Thank God. चलो. So now let's start with the first question का solution. Oh no, this green pen I don't want. Let me take the black pen again and let me start with the solution for the first question. So what is the first question here? It is x square minus 7x plus pi is equal to 0. I need to compare the equation with general form and write values of ABC. So it's simple, compare with general form. तो क्या आएगा मेरे पास इधर, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 5. Okay, so these questions are easy. I need not even solve for you. Second question, 2m square is equal to 5 minus 5. Second question, 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. Bring it in standard form. So 2m square minus 5m minus 5 is equal to 0. So now comparing with standard form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 5. Just give me a moment. Is minus 5, c is equal to minus 5. Plus 5, okay. Since sign change हो जाएगा, तो c is equal to 5. Don't get messed up with sign, okay. And ये इतना टेढ़ा क्यों गया, I don't know. So let me write it neatly. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And I will draw a line later on to avoid confusion. Don't worry. Going towards the third question. Let me go a bit ahead. Third question क्या है? Y square is equal to 7y. So third question, y square is equal to 7y. Therefore, y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Again, it is understood that constant term is 0. Okay, so comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, I get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 0. I hope you all are very clear with this question. Okay. If yes, I will go ahead with solving formula. I hope you understood that what is this ABC का value, किधर से मिलता है ABC का value. If you all are very clear with this, please comment yes in the comment section so that I can go ahead. At least I can understand that you all are with me. Okay, this seems very monotonous. ऐसा लगता है कि बाप रे अकेले ही बात कर रहे हैं with walls. So see to it that you all are a bit active and let me just draw a line to separate that. Mixing with other questions. Okay, and last line. So now shall I start solving with formula method this questions. Now there are questions that solve using formula method, so I will just copy paste the questions. First three questions we are going to try today and remaining three most probably in the next lecture. If possible, I want to complete this in today's class only. Let us check how good you all are responding. Accordingly, I can go ahead with the exercise. Okay. So I hope I'm audible, right? Okay. So these are the three questions. Thank God. So first step, whenever you come across, whenever you encounter a quadratic equation which says that solve me using formula method, you need to very well compare it with standard form. Once you compare it with standard form, you need to substitute in the formula which was taught to you few minutes earlier. Okay, so I'll just solve one question for you so that you don't have any doubt. Let's go a bit upside. Thank you. चलो तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोला है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में एक्स स्क्वायर plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now first thing you need to compare it with standard form. So comparing with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now what you get here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. So now first thing you need to substitute in formula this thing. Okay, what is the formula? Directly for substitute करना चाहता है पहला you substitute for b square minus ac. Formula is one thing you remember. I am writing it again. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Online or offline, this line will never come straight. So b is nothing but a 6 square. b square मतलब कि 6 square minus 4a मतलब कि 1, c मतलब कि 5. See, we are doing normal substitution. There is nothing tough in this. 6 square is 36 minus 4 into 1 is 4 into 5 is 20. So I'm solving each and every step for you. 36 minus 20, which is equal to, come on, speak up, 16. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is 16. Now you need to actually use formula method. So by formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. So if you allow me, I'll just use this formula over here. So by formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon, don't forget this 2a, this is a very very important step. So x is equal to, what is minus b? Minus b is what? It is minus 6. So minus 6 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी निकाला है 16, so don't solve again. 2a, so a का वैल्यू is 1, 2 into 1, so x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 16 is 4 upon 2. Once you arrive here, there are going to be two parts of your question, that is x is equal to, first it is minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. ठीक है, therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 बोलेगा तो minus 2 upon 2, और x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2. You can reduce it, students. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 5. Okay, it's clear. Shall I go ahead? Therefore minus 1 comma minus 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Final answer statement as expected. I hope there is no doubt. First we compared it with the standard form, then we substituted it for getting the formula, that is b square minus 4ac. It is known as delta. Delta का value substitute किया, मतलब delta का value find किया, to be very honest, rather than substituting I would say find किया, and then we substituted it in the provided formula. Okay, shall I go ahead? Shall I start with the second question, if you all don't mind? No, taking your permission is very very important, no? Anyway, we are still having time. We are still left with 10 minutes. We can start with the next question. At least we can try to complete the 3 questions which are decided. Okay. So let's go ahead. If I try, I can complete all the 6 questions. Only thing is I need to extend the lecture a bit, but I don't want to do that. So second question is 2m. Sorry. Main question number 2. हाँ ये रहा. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sorry for my shabby handwriting, but my main aim is to understand the concept and not the presentation. Presentation खुद कर लो, फिलहाल concept समझ लो. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 2, if I am not wrong. Okay. Now next step is finding the value for b square minus 4ac by substituting. So इधर आ जाएगा मुझे minus 3 the whole square minus 4ac upon, अच्छा 2a का वैल्यू बाद में डालेंगे. So here it's going to be, I'll just solve this question neatly for you. एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे से करता हूँ. 9 minus 4 into minus 2. So 9 minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8 if I'm not wrong. So here it's going to be 70 by formula. You need to remember the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to, just substitute minus b, मतलब minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac is 17 अपॉन 2a, so 2 into 1. जरूरी नहीं है हर बार a का वैल्यू 1 ही आएगा, it might be the coincidence as well. Upon 2. Now you need to split your question into two part. अच्छा, रूट 17 है तो क्या करने का, कुछ नहीं करने का, no need to be worried. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 17 upon 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Okay, so therefore 3 plus root 17 upon 2 comma 3 minus root 17 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, done. So let's go with the third question and the last question for today's lecture. So sorry, that is, I don't know why I'm coming back to this. I'm still not in that zeal to work. Anyways, so here it's 3m square plus 2m minus 7. This one note, अब थोड़ा सुधर गया one note अपना. Anyways, 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Just give me a moment. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. I don't know why there is so much of noise today. So sorry for that. And I'll just draw a line here to avoid confusion. This OneNote is a good app for solving this all part. At least I have a record rather than creating that blackboards every time. The third question is what? 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. First thing, you need to compare it with standard force. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to minus 7. Okay. So let us go ahead. We need to find value for b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 2 square minus 4ac, which is equal to 4 minus 4 3s are 12 into minus 7. So here it's going to be 4 plus, just give me a moment. Here it's going to be 4 plus 12 into minus 7. So 12 7 that is 84. 4 plus 84, which is equal to 88. Now by formula method, your formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. People mistakes over here, they forget this 2a. Don't forget this 2a. That is a very, very important part of your question formula. In fact, where it's going to be minus 2, that is minus 2 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, that is nothing but 88 upon 2a. So 2 into a. What is your a? Here it's 3. So see, here it's not 1. So I just said be careful. Plus or minus under root of 88 upon 6. Therefore, now you can just separate these terms out. Acha, you can do one thing as well. That would be my personal suggestion. It doesn't matter कि तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो. You do any of the way, you are going to arrive at the same answer. Just give me some moment. I'll write it neatly. हाँ, this 88 is even, right? So तुम लोग इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, -2 plus or minus under root of, this is nothing but 4 into 22, if I am not wrong, upon 6. Therefore, your x would be -2 plus or minus, and प्लस और माइनस ये 4 का रूट इज 2 बाहर आ जाएगा, 22 बचेगा अपॉन 6. Now you can just separate out these terms and you can write therefore x is equal to, oh so sorry, here we are dealing with m, so सब जगह m आएगा since the equation is in variable m. Okay, so this would be every time it would be, it depends upon which variable we are solving. So m, it tried me now, so sorry, here also it would be m, and now you can separate this value for m, that is m is equal to, uh if you just see now, see here it's going to be, ये हो जाएगा -1 प्लस और माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 22/3, taking 2 common. If you know 2, 2, 22 and 6, so taking out 2 common, you will get this part. So here it's going to be -1 plus or minus, या तो प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 22/3, or m is equal to -1 minus root 22/3. Therefore, -1 plus root 22/3, comma, -1 minus root 22/3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, so as such, there is no algorithm for it. Okay, if you want steps, there are no specific steps which one can tell you, but you can always remember this 3 to 4 steps if you want. Algorithm means steps. Okay, in mathematics we call it as algorithm. So just give me a moment. If you are very much keen and you are dependent on steps and you recollect it, you remember it, and then if you write, so I have something for you. Actually, I don't, but anyways, just give me a moment. So x square, uh, एक मिनट रुक जाओ. I'm not able to write. हाँ, so steps if you want. There are few steps for you. This pen is so heavy. I don't want this pen. Quickly. Anyways, we are having just 2 minutes to complete this lecture. Steps to be followed. Pahela, this is pink or red. I can't identify. So first step, comparing with GF. GF means general form, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. GF बोला तो views बढ़ जाता है. Anyways, just kidding. Then you need to substitute for b square minus 4ac. Third, by formula, so you need to use that formula. So by formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. ठीक है, ये कंपेयर करने की वजह से तुमको क्या मिलेगा पता है, you will get values of a b c. Once you do 4 steps, check for common. कुछ कॉमन निकल रहा है क्या, then separate. ठीक है, then 6th step would be final answer. Okay, final answer. This would be our algorithm. This question may appear in exam for 3 marks or 4 marks. 4 marks का chances बहुत कम रहता है algebra में ये question आने का, since 4 marks का slot is usually packed by graphical methods or word problems or so on. ठीक है, so depends. 3 marks के लिए तो आता ही है formula method. There is always one question for 3 marks from this topic. ठीक है, so anyways, bye bye, tata. It's already 30 minutes post 5 to 6 seconds. I'll just stop the lecture for today. If you want notes, put a mail requesting for the notes. I'll just forward this part to you all and meet you all soon in the next lecture. That is lecture number 6, where we will be continuing the questions based on formula method. And I will take few questions from problem set if time permits. Okay. So with this, we stop for today. Bye bye and have a good day.